Hey gang, it's Wally and Jill, Fox Party of 3.
I'm in the window.
If you haven't seen us before, we live full-time in our Arctic Fox 990 on our dually F350. We travel for every day, you know, and when we're not traveling, we do a little house sitting from time to time, pet sitting for folks, and we do that professionally. So this stop, we're actually in Memphis. I'm actually pet sitting for my cousin's dog Pebbles. We're here. Mailman Brian just dropped off a care package to us from etrailer. If you haven't used etrailer, I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not affiliated with them by any means, but what a great company, etrailer.com. This particular package is some jack stands. Actually, they're padded jack feet that will go on the bottom of our jack system that mounts to the ground on our camper. So you're seeing me open them, see them for the first time. This is them. They're very simple. There's a product code if you need that. You can make that out.
I don't know.
SnapPad is what they're called.
Aw.
If you're worried about the weight, they say they're about 2.5 pounds each. So I'm going to be adding 10 pounds of weight total to my rig. And they will.
Here's the hard installation.
They will go here, and I'll lower the jacks down. I'll set it on the ground, lower the jack down, apply some pressure, and then they will literally just snap into place. And that'll give me a nice foundation for when I'm on concrete at people's homes, or even if I'm off-road on uneven surfaces, it'll give me a good footing. What I have been using in the past is either the blocks underneath occasionally, and I'm sure everyone has seen the yellow blocks. I keep some of those handy too as well. The stackable yellow bricks and blocks. The trouble with these though, they do get brittle. They do stick in the mud and the rocks, and they do bend, and they'll occasionally break. Where this is going to be a one-time deal. They say 3-year warranty, but it's pretty much a lifetime product. When I put...
What's it made out of?
It's old tires, material.
Cool.
When I put this under here, sometimes it will slide, especially if there's moisture, and it'll move a little bit if we're on uneven ground, which is concerning. This will eliminate that, and it also acts as a shock absorber, so it will take some of the movement out of the camper when the jacks are down. So I'm really looking forward to this. I'll give you a review later, but we're getting ready to put it on, and yeah, give it a test run. So I hope that helps you guys. Don't be afraid to try them. Everybody gives them 5-star reviews, and this company is great on any of your trailering needs, RV, truck parts. Look at them before you look at anybody else. They're good service, answer all your questions, great videos on how to use their products. So.
And quick ship.
Yeah, very quick ship. So hope that helps you guys. We'll show you once we put them on, and then how they all look. Thanks, guys.
All right, so we're getting ready to lower the jacks down. We have the little feet set up to receive the jacks. Ready. And it's on.
That easy.
That easy.
That's simple.
You like it?
I do. I think that's going to be a great addition.
Nice.
So save our backs a lot having to position these blocks all the time.
Yep.
Give us a stable footing.
Yep.
On and off road. So yeah, I think it's going to be a great addition. I think is a little over $100 for a set. I think 110, maybe 105, somewhere around there from eTrailer. They seem price-wise, they shoot some of the best. These are 6-inch feet. So if you've got the Ryco Titan jack on your truck camper, you're looking for the 6-foot snap pad. So anyway, we'll give you a review on them later, but I think we're gonna love them. Thank you guys. Hope to see you down the road. Don't forget to like our videos if you get a chance. And Jill gets so excited.
Old person flap choke.
Old person flat mouth started to fail. Jill gets so excited when you guys subscribe to her. So we don't monetize YouTube. We're not making any money off you guys. But if you
it's too much work.
If you do subscribe, it gives her great joy. So
it does.
Please do that if you have the time. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys down the road.
And we love your comments too. So thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.